Hello everyone, I am back in this video to show you a great trick to use YouTube without API. You can see whenever I search something in Google, for example YouTube API, you can see we will directly go to the YouTube API website where you need a lot of code or a lot of things, implementations to make a YouTube API on our application. But in this video I will show you without integrating the API. So we can do this with a WebView. As you can see, WebView Android Studio. This is the Google documentation about this. And the WebView, we need a very little code to integrate the YouTube to our application. So you can follow this video to get more information about this. Here you can see that I already made the project for you. See the code like me and follow me and see what happens if we create a WebView and integrate YouTube with this to our application. In the activity main.xml, you can see we have a WebView under the constraint layout. We have the weight and height match parent to fit the YouTube API or YouTube on a screen. Also in the main activity.kt or kotlin, you can see that I declared the variable of WebView. So here you can see this is the ID for the WebView, and here I declared it. WebView is equal to find view by ID YT WebView. And also we need something WebView.setting.javascript enabled. So this is an important task for the website which need JavaScript. So we must turn it on. WebView.loadURL www.youtube.com. So you can use your own website or you can use whatever you want from the web. So here you can add anything you want or customize your application from here. Also you can customize the XML file. After you connected your device, you can launch the application to test it. Goodbye.